Yo, what's up, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your guy on Book FX. Okay, guys, on today's strategy, we are going to work on Boom 500, and this is a spiking strategy. It works on both Boom 500 and Crash 500. Any boom and crash markets. At first, you take your time to understand what I'm going to say, what I'm going to explain. This is not about indicator setup. You're not going to use any indicator setup. I'm going to explain to you how to trade the market as a professional trader, but in a layman terms, even though to the extent that a newbies will understand what I'm saying. Okay, so first of all, this is a 1 minute time frame. Whoa, my network is not fucking connecting, so let's go to 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this 15 minutes time frame, you can see that this market is pointing downward, which is selling. The market is selling. Okay, so this market is about spiking strategy. It's a spiking strategy. So if you were to take a trade on this particular market, where will you take your entry? This is a place that you will take your entry from. Yeah, let me delete this first. This is a place you take your entry from. But what will give you the mindset to take your entry from this point? That's what I'm going to explain. That's what I'm going to explain to you to understand more. Okay, let's go to 4 hours time frame. From there, we know what to do next. I always analyze my market from 4 hours to 1 hour, 30 minutes, 15 minutes. I analyzed my market from there, took my entry from 15 minutes lower. Okay, so at the 4 hours time frame, you can see that at this point here, at this level, this green candlesticks, let me use green color. Let me use this green to explain so that you can understand. Okay, this green candlesticks, if you see it, it closes with a long rejection at the downside. You can see that it. Okay, let me zoom it so that you can understand what I'm going to say. Okay, this is it. If you see that, yeah, there's no line going up here, but if you see it here, there's a line that shows you that the market is going to spike up again. So what you do is that you take your entry when you see that the market is showing you a strong rejection that is going to pull up, is going to spike up. So what are those candlesticks that will give you the mindset to do that? Okay, let's go to 15 minutes time frame. 15 minutes time frame. Okay, my network is back. Okay, so let's go to 15 minutes time frame. This is the point you're supposed to take your entry. This is the point you're supposed to take your entry. You can see at this point, this candlesticks there, this one that close here, it's remove a long leg here. There's a long leg here, and there is no long stuff at this top. I'm using this so that everybody can understand what I'm saying, so that I will not be like communicating with myself while others don't understand what I'm trying to say. Okay, so it remove a long leg here. Why it did not here? So, and if you can see, this is like engulfing candlesticks. Okay, so if you see this second one here, after this red one, this second one here, you can see that is a long leg up, then no long leg down. This shows you that it's going to be a rejection, that you should buy from this level. You should buy from here. Then when you buy from here, your Excel will be at this point. Let me use this for the Excel. Your Excel will be at this point, and then you can stack like first to 4 or 5 positions depending on your account liquidity. If you have much on your account, you stack like 5 position, then spike and wait to to catch more spike, like up to this level. Okay, you can see it's very simple. So what you are going to look for is an hammer candlesticks, which is going to show you a very strong rejection. It's going to show you a very strong rejection that the market is going to spike. Okay, so what you do, if you see as a backtest, it's happen when you see that the market is going to spike. You can see it here. When the stuff happen, when you see any candlestick like that, the market spike. And these are hammer candlesticks. These are hammer candlestick. You can see it, and it's happen on a daily. So what you do is that you wait for it to reach that point. So when you reach that point, you go into your 4 hours time frame to check. Okay, let me mark that place in 15 minutes time frame so that I can understand what I'm saying. Whoop, see it here. This is the point at 50 minutes. No, so sorry about that. This is the point at 50 minutes time frame. It's supposed to take your entry. There, that is the point. You scalp, you spike up to this point. Then you see it retraces back. This is what I was saying in my previous video, that whenever you see a market drop something like this, you should know that it's going to pull back. You can see it's coming down from there. And what will be your mind? Your mindset should be that it's going to stop at this level. It's going to stop at that level. And then it takes back. Very simple. So to analyze the market with your naked eye is very simple. I'm just breaking down so that everybody can understand what I'm saying. So to understand the market is very simple. And you can see that what I did, that is what the market structure is like. You can see how the market structure is. So now it's pulling back up to this point, then it's going to go up again. Then from there, you drop back. Whoa, yeah. May drop back to this point, then pull back again. But what I just drew, the line I drew here, just show you the market structure, how the market move. And if you backtest, you can see that the market move in that way. Okay guys, so that is very simple. After that, you took your entry at the 15 minutes time frame, then you go your way, spike your market. Okay, so as I was saying, that I'm explaining to a layman term so that everybody can understand. It's very simple what I'm saying. You understand what I'm saying, very easy. So at this point, if you took your entry here, for example this one, if you took your entry here, you took your entry at this point, your SL will be at this level. If you have enough liquidity, you can risk as 0.5, 0.8. Okay, so but the SL will be at this level. After the market goes up to this point, you change your SL from here to this point. Then when you know that you have it's up to this level, you break an even to secure your profits. Break an even. My people that are my VIP, they know that anytime they are on much profit, I'll tell them to break an even to secure profit, so that if the market spike, it won't. If the market drop back, it won't affect your profit. Okay, so it's very easy, very simple, guys, very simple. So let me delete this. I don't want this video to go long. Let me just delete everything. Whoa. Okay, so you can see that what I say, it's happen frequently. And you can see, and on the 4 hours time frame, you can see that this particular candlestick, there is no other thing at top but only a rejection on this down here. And this you can call it bullish engulfing candlesticks. You can call it that way. Okay, But it's not really matters that you know the name of the candlesticks, but what you know that is you're going to know what you will do to give you the mindset to enter the market at a particular point. So if you go to crash 500, what you do is that you are going to do the opposite thing, and this is very easy. This is it happened at this point. This, let me use this point. You can see it happened there, and what you do, just spike from there to this level. That's what you do, just spike from that point to this level. Only that. So if I backtest, it gives you that it's happened. So if you see that it keep happening daily on a frequently. So join us, let's make cool money together. Just join us, let's make cool money together. We are making money on a daily basis. You can see it. We are making money. More money. So join us, let's make money and cool money daily. Those are in my VIP. They know what I'm talking about. That we are not playing. We are not playing there. So just join us. Let's make money together. So just apply what I'm saying. I just explain it very simple so that everybody can understand. So just apply it first in your demo accounts to build the confidence, as I always say, before you move it to your real account. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next video.